A question we get pretty often from our customers is, can't we just do that in Qlik? Let me tell you about a story that happened last week with one of our customers. A colleague of them in the HR department wanted to establish a new software for org charts because they had the requirement to show different KPIs and different icons for those KPIs in an org chart. And we love the Qlik native org chart. So we thought, can't we just do that in Qlik? And let me show you an example of what we have done with the Qlik native org chart. This is a bill of materials that we have created for a customer, where you have different levels for the different products that you have to create an article. And in here, you can, for example, see all the different individual articles that you need to make the final product. And you can see the green ones that are on time and the red ones, for example, that are delayed. So they may delay the whole production of the entire part. So here you can see you can have different colors. You can have quite a bit of information in there as well, but you don't really have a nice way of presenting individual KPIs, and you don't really have any icons that you can have in there. So what we came up with is a small extension to do just that. So what you will see here is you have a very traditional, simple org chart with a mother company and then some parts across the world. And in there, you have some KPIs. But you don't just have the KPI itself, you also have some context. So when you hover over a KPI, you will get to see what is the context of the KPI, how has it changed over time. So over here, you can see the CO2 footprint. Over here, you have some financial information like the margin, the revenue, the cost, and how it has developed over time. And it's very easy to add a KPI or to delete one. So let's just delete the last one that I've added over here. So you can see with one click, it just disappears. And then if you just click add KPI and you choose the dimension, for example, and how it is calculated, there you go. Within 1 second, you have created your KPI element in here. And if you don't like the icon, we can just change that from a flask, for example, to a car. Maybe this is the number of cars that are available at each site. And there you go. Within 2 seconds, you have created your KPI element. You have changed the icon. So it's very easy to use if you have a requirement in one of your projects to add KPI elements and icons to an org chart. Very simple. So if you like this, if you want to play around with it, just feel free to contact me. You can already find this on our wiki, where you will see all the Data Plus extensions that we are offering, as well as our smaller extensions. And this is the newest one that you can find right here. So we have learned a lot from the Qlik community. So that's why we want to give something back. So this is free. It doesn't cost anything at all. We just want to enable you to create really cool projects. So if you're interested and you want to play around with it, just reach out to me and we'll be happy to.